Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to solve this question. And we have a square root 75 minus square root 27 minus square root 3 whole raised to the power x. This is equal to 9. And we find the value of x. So let's start. We write this 75 as our 25 multiply 3, which is equal to 75, and we write the second term square root 27 as a square root 9 multiply 3, which is equal to 27, and we copy the last term square root 3 whole raised to the power x. This is equal to 9. Now in the next step we use this property of radical, which is a nth root of product of a b. We write this as a nth root of a multiply nth root of b. We apply this property on left hand side. So this first term will become using this property square root 25 multiply square root 3 minus, we write this as a square root 9 multiply square root 3, and we copy the last term. This is a minus square root 3. Its power is x is equals to 9. Now square root 25, which is equal to 5, so we write a 5, and this is a square root 3 minus square root 9, this is equal to 3, so we write this as a 3 times square root 3, and this is a minus square root 3. Its power is x, and this is equal to, right hand side is a 9. Now focus on this side. Square root 3 involved in all these terms, so we factor out square root 3. Then this first term will become a 5, and this second term will become a 3, and this last term will become a 1. Its whole power is a x, and right hand side is 9. Now in the next step we use this property of exponent, which is a multiply b whole raised to the power, and we write this as a raised to the power n multiply b raised to the power n, and we apply this property on left hand side. So this will become a square root 3 raised to the power x, and 5 minus 3 minus 1 whole raised to the power x. This is equal to 9. Now focus on this side, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 2 minus 1, this is equal to 1. So this is a square root 3 whole raised to the power x, and this will become a 1 raised to the power x. This is equal to 9. So look at this, 1 raised to the power x. X is any number, then 1 raised to the power any number is just 1. So we copy the first term square root 3 raised to the power x, and this whole term will become a 1. It's equal to 9. Then next step, multiply this square root 3 raised to the power x by 1. We get a square root 3 raised to the power x. It's equal to 9. Now at this point we want to try to make this base same. So after that we can compare their exponent. So for this, look at this. The base is square root 3. So we want to write this 9 with base square root 3. So for this, we write this 9 as a square root 3 whole raised to the power 4. Focus on this value. This is a square root 3 whole raised to the power 4. If we simplify this value, then we get a 9. Focus on this. This is a square root. So we write this square root as a 1 over 2. And in the next step, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are, this will cancel, and we get a 3 square, which is equal to 9. So this implies we can write this 9 as a square root 3 whole raised to the power 4. And left hand side is a square root 3 whole raised to the power x. Now the base is same, so we can compare their exponents. So this implies x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x in our question, and we have done. Thank you.